Yuck. That is gross.
Hey, what's up guys? Matt with BAAM Ranch. We've got a problem with this Blackstone grill. This is a little bit different of a video than what I normally do, but this thing needs some love. I didn't clean it all year last year. It sat all winter. This thing is nasty. So we're going to go overboard with this thing and get it back to a condition that is far, far better than new. All right, y'all come along. Let's enjoy the ride. As you can see, it is nasty, nasty, nasty. We've got some rust on there, a bunch of grease. I think the place we're going to start is let's just give this thing a good scrape and get some heat on it and burn all this crap off of there, and then we can see what we got to work with. All right, so here goes. Let's just start scraping. Okay, that looks like it's a fairly good scrape. Let's go ahead and turn on some heat. Burn all this crap off of here. Alright, let's smoke all that off. Take this lid off. Alright, while that's smoking, let's see if we can clean off some of the rest of this. We're going to completely strip this whole thing. Start over and reseason this from square one. Okay, I went and got a bowl of soapy water and a scrub sponge. Just for this initial burn off, I moved it just inside the garage. The door is wide open, it's right here at the edge. But I gotta get this heated up to burn this stuff off. Okay, we're just now starting to kind of smoke some of that stuff off of there. We're gonna let this go until it's completely done smoking. We're still rolling just a little bit of smoke, but let's give it a quick scrub. I mean, it's plenty hot. Kind of loosen some of that stuff up that's in there. There's a lot of baked on crud right here, man. It's going to be fairly hard to get off. Okay guys, well, I'm gonna break this out. It's had a little bit of time to cool off. It did quit smoking. So let's just lightly kiss it. I mean, just lightly kiss the surface. I don't want to gouge into it, but maybe just kiss it a little bit to get us back, at least started back over where we began. I should go ahead and say my goal isn't to like remove metal, but just to kind of kiss the surface. I'm using ounces of pressure. Okay, well that got the bulk of it off. I could do the rest of it by hand from here. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. All right, I'm just rinsing this off with soapy water. Nothing crazy. Just washing it off. All right, let's turn it back on and dry it off. Okay, we got her dried off. She's still a little hot. That's fine, she'll cool off as we work. We're just gonna clean until our arms fall off. I cleaned my sponge. Got a fresh change of water. And we're just gonna scrub until we give out. You see these swirl marks in here? Those aren't going to really affect anything. It's just cosmetic. If you wanted to, you could spend the time and clean all that out, but there's no need for it. Most of this is going to get covered up with seasoning anyway, which we're going to actually do here in just a few minutes. So I'm not worried about it. I'm not going to mess with it. Let's go ahead and dry it off, and then we'll give it a good blow with the air compressor and wipe it down with some cleaner and like a paper towel to get all the fine dust off that might still be left on there. Now just for a clean microfiber towel, this is just like Fabuloso. Just give it a wipe down, make sure there's no dust or metal shavings stuck to it. It's coming off pretty clean. And after we're done with this, we should be ready to reseason it. Alright, I guess it's time to heat it back up again and go get some oil and season this thing up. Okay, when you go to season these, you can use almost any high smoke point oil. I'm using this stuff made by Blackstone just because I have it and it came with it, but you could use just about anything you want. Trick is, don't do like I did the first time and go overboard on your oil. It doesn't take near as much as what you think. See, I've just got kind of a dab. Spread that out throughout the whole surface. Every last square inch. If you need more oil, get more. But getting your oil off once you've already put it on is kind of difficult. So use it sparingly. You can always put more on. And this stuff seems to work pretty good. I don't have any issues with it. It seems to work okay. Now that that's on, we'll let that sit until all of the smoke is gone. We want it to be completely gone, completely smoked off, and then we'll do it again. Okay, you can see she's starting to change color a little bit. And most of my seasoning is smoked off, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. We'll do one more round.
I don't know. We may do another round after this, but she's starting to season up good. Let her smoke. Not sure how well y'all can see that smoke, but she's smoking like crazy, which is exactly what we want. Okay, well, we went through the seasoning process 3 times, so there's only one logical thing left to do. One is turn the heat down a little bit. Oh, a little bit too much oil there, but you know what? It's not gonna hurt anything. Yeah, and I'm doing the absolute wrong thing. I'm cooking a frozen burger, and the grill police are gonna come get me for that, but that's okay. I don't care. Oh, hot, hot. Those fries are perfect. Crunchy. Crispy. Wonderful. Good burger doesn't need anything at all. Piece of cheese and bread. You don't need all that dressing and everything. I like that stuff, but it's not needed. Fries, just a bonus. All right, we'll come back here in a minute and we'll clean this grill. Basically what you do with these Blackstones is scrape them off. Get them hot, and I mean hot. Where they're smoking a little bit. You want them to smoke. Get them hot. Scrape all this stuff to the back. All that extra oil. Push it all back. Normally we'd go through and dry all this up, but since we're still in the seasoning process, I'm gonna let this smoke for a little bit, and then I'll come through and spread that oil back around. Go ahead and let it do a little bit extra seasoning for me. Okay, so grease on the camera lens, but we just got through cooking on this thing, and we're still in the seasoning process, and it's a little bit tacky, right? We just cooked some burgers and some fries on it, and what you're gonna be tempted to do is just get the soap and water and scrub this thing. Don't do that. There's a simple solution. We're still seasoning it. Turn this thing on high, crank it up, and let her eat. We're gonna smoke every bit of that off, burn it off, because it's gonna be a little tacky until we get our full seasoning laid down on this thing, which will take 4 or 5 meals. But for now, let's just burn this thing off until there's no more smoke.